Hello and welcome to today's video. Today what we're going to be doing is installing Ubuntu on this machine right here. This is the HP Envy M6, I believe. I have to check again. But it's a laptop from about a decade ago. And it currently runs Windows 11 due to the Tiny 11. So today we're putting Ubuntu on it using this flash drive. So now, let's go to the Ubuntu website and get this installation going. Okay, so we're here on the Ubuntu website. So then what we have to do is go to download Ubuntu, and then download Ubuntu desktop. And now I'm going to choose the 24.04.2 LTS for long-term support. And I'll say thank you, and then it's off to the download. This might take a while, so I'll be back once it's done downloading. Okay, our ISO is downloaded, so then we'll pull up our trusty tool, Rufus, and then we'll plug in the USB. So here. And then we'll choose our ISO. I think this is GPT, this computer. I'm going to write it in ISO mode for now. And then we'll start the process. Okay, now that our ISO is done being copied to our USB, we will take out our USB and we'll switch back over to our camera. Okay, now for the second time, because I had to record this thing two times, we'll plug her in and we'll turn it on. And then we have to boot into our boot menu, which the key for the boot menu is F9, and boot from USB. And looks like we have it, so we're trying or installing Ubuntu now. Okay, it looks like we are now in Ubuntu. Now we just have to wait for the setup to appear. Oh, looky here. We're now preparing Ubuntu. We're now in Ubuntu. Install Ubuntu. And it looks like it keeps crashing. Okay, it's staying longer this time. So let's hope that it will actually open up the setup. Well, look at that. Ubuntu setup. English? No. English United States. We'll connect to a Wi-Fi network later then, I guess. So I could use the Ethernet cable, but I'm not grabbing that thing out of the other computer. Interactive installation. We're going to do the extended selection because the alt software. Third-party software, all the graphics, Wi-Fi, hardware, and all that fun stuff. Yes, I know, I'm probably putting too much bloatware, but I need a lot of it, because this computer is actually going to be hooked up to a TV, instead of a projector, like some people do with computers. And that made my echo go off, so that's nice. Okay, we'll be back then, once this is done. Okay, and here we are in Ubuntu 24.04.2 long-term support. So now we're going to get set up now. We don't need Ubuntu Pro, and we're not going to share any system data. And I'm going to have to get some applications, so I'll load the App Center, and then we'll finish. Okay, so I'm going to get some stuff on here, and I'll be back to see how this thing works in Ubuntu. Okay, so as you can see, I have Steam on here, but it just refuses to open. So that's the video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Hey, click on the video in the middle. YouTube thinks you might like that video. Thanks for watching.